So this is the bioengineering department of Imperial College London, and this is our lab. The overall goal of my research is to improve the control of robotics, taking principles from biology. So flies are a really convenient animal to understand the mechanisms of the brain. They have a brain which is easy to access, essentially. We can put electrodes in and build up a really good picture of how they work and what they're sensing and how they're controlling themselves. One of the cornerstones of biology and a landmark in the system of biology is that they're ultra adaptive. So for example, a fly that's flying in the sun will be warmer, right? And its muscles will have very different properties to when it's in the cold. And then when they're flying from the sun and they go into a forest, not only have their temperatures changed and therefore their muscles, but also the visual scene is completely different. And these are all things that they are measuring and adapting to obtain the information about their self-movement and the movement of the world around them, despite completely different environments. The adaptability is really something which we're nowhere near having in robotics. And so one of the applications that we've been using in particular is drones. And we've been able to apply some adaptive control to drone technologies. We used the drone for two things as a demonstration platform. Firstly, just to show that this controller can improve accuracy and therefore agility and flight. And secondly, on the adaptive side, handling damage. So this drone at the moment has a damaged propeller, which it's flying with. And the principle behind that is that it's able to learn the new dynamics to retain agile flight after damage. And damage is just one way where the system dynamics that you're trying to control can change, right? So take a delivery drone. If it's carrying a package and it drops the package off, all of a sudden the weight where the load of the drone is has completely changed. And the adaptive control element allows it in real time to quickly adjust its controller to retain agility through any kind of system dynamics change. So this kind of control system is useful for really any robotic or control application.